All right. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Olympus Academy. So I'll just write down the Olympus Academy. So just check out the links in the description. So it's all about us. So I'll send this entire link to the chat to find out more about us with the link provided. All right. So let's take a look. So later on in about 4 hours time, there will be a FOMC meeting coming up. Let me set things up. Okay, there's actually a FOMC meeting coming up. So I expect huge volatility in the markets later on. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, everything up. Huge. All right. Okay, so just having a quick look at the euro dollar. So apparently the euro dollar actually recently bounced off a H1 demand area. So H1 demand area bounced off and it actually formed a relative. We'll go right here, price bounce off. So this I'll call it the sell side liquidity. So expecting price to possibly come down just to clear out this area. This is an area that I'm looking at. Liquidity area. I'll just write it down. Liquidity. So liquidity area, and right here also there is tons and tons of liquidity. Relative equal goes right there. So apparently I'm expecting FOMC to possibly cause price to likely wick down and then wick back up, all the way up. Where can price possibly go towards? So if we are looking at the daily chart, I draw a Fibonacci line from the top, swing high right there, towards the bottom, swing low. So you can possibly expect price to head towards the 50% Fibonacci line. So what's there at the 50% Fibonacci line? You may ask as we zoom in. There's actually relative equal highs right there. I'll just write it down. Let me get my notes out. Relative equal high. That's an area you are looking to take out. Also, one more. There's also the overlap resistance area right there. So it's also called an overlap resistance, but I will not be drawing it out now currently. Relative equal high price can possibly hit right up to clear that area. So another liquidity hotspot that we are likely to be aiming at is this high right there. So this is actually a minor relative equal high in place. So in the long run, I'm looking for price to possibly clear this high right here. This high, also this specific area. So this is an overlap resistance. That's where we are looking for price to clear that D 1.11452 area. An area we can look at for FOMC to clear towards about 200 pips move. So we might see that happen later on at 2 a.m. Singapore time. So just a quick look back at the 4 hour chart. So that's area, possibly price clearing that area, bam, and then upwards that area. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so let us take a quick look. Okay, so that's about it for euro dollar. There's not much I can say because there's really a lot of volatility in the markets going on. So next I'll likely head on towards the what should I go towards next? Okay, I'll go towards talking about gold. So just having a quick look at gold on the daily chart. Maybe start from the daily. FOMC can likely clear this previous high right there. So this intermediate swing high Possibly we can expect price to head towards there. So that area is actually the area that we are currently looking at. All right, next, let's take a look towards the daily. Okay, daily actually forms some kind of liquidity hotspot here. Liquidity right there. So we have relative equal lows right there. So price can potentially wick down before continue heading towards the intermediate swing high. So there's also a fair value gap on the daily right here. So potentially we might be able to see price hit back down towards that area. So it's the daily fair value gap. Okay, next moving on towards the H4 chart. Okay, looking at the H4 chart, likely I'm still thinking price can wick down and then continue. Now, that's an area that I'm actually looking at for price to clear to grab liquidity. Yeah, that's about it for gold. So yeah. Later on, just by the way, Chen Yu will be streaming live. He will be streaming live later at 2 a.m. It's in about 4 hours. He will be doing a live stream running through the FOMC. So I will be most likely sleeping because I got some meetings going on. So he will be taking over and we'll see you guys later in 4 hours time. FOMC live stream later on at 2 a.m. SGT. Turn. Yeah, right. That's about it. Just remember to check out the links about us, the link in the description, linktree.com, linktree.ee/the Olympus Academy. Just click on the link, you can find out more about us. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you guys enjoyed it. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us. And I appreciate you guys watching. Alright, take care and goodbye.